In this video, I will show you how to delete your Claude AI account. Now, to get started, what you want to do is open up an internet browser. And once you've done that, what you want to do is come across to Claude.ai, which is the official website for Claude. Now, what you can do is log in with your Claude account. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to your Claude dashboard. Now, from here, if you come down to the bottom left-hand corner, click onto your profile picture. And from here, you want to come and click onto settings. From your settings, come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto account. And from here, you're going to see an option to delete your Claude account. Give that a click. As you can see, it says deleting your account is permanent. You will have no way of recovering your account or conversation data. To confirm, just click I understand, and that's going to go ahead and delete your Claude AI account. So that's how to delete your Claude AI account. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Claude and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.